Think caliper covers won't fit your ride? Let's see. Ours are scanned and molded to fit your exact make and model. Caliper size matched. We scan height, width, depth. No rubbing, no guesswork. Even brake layout is accounted for. Every cover starts with a 3D scan, then gets molded for your exact submodel. No guesswork, just precision. Install in minutes. Spin the wheel, test the brakes. Done. The result? A factory-level fit with bold custom style. See if it fits your ride.